regions India: Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Odisha, West Rajasthan, Gujarat, Goa, Maharashtra, Goa, and Northern Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, New Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, and Southeast Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. Northeastern Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Tripura, Sikkim. Central India: Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh.